Hey, what is up, guys?
At breakfast, I had bananas. It looks like bananas.
You can't make the second one.
Or maybe someone was like,
My stomach is you freaking pussy. Good. I have to piss.
guys, I literally